everybody, my name is Julia and welcome to Sadhvika's World. Today we are going to do art and craft. So let's go to the video. This is the explosion gift box. So I'm waiting to explain this gift box to you. So I'm waiting. 1, 2, 3, go. So this is the gift box. So now I'm going to explain about this. So this is a scratch book to write anything I have already written to my parents. You can see, right? And this is like a house. You can open like this and you can open fully, right? And this is like a door, right? Door. So we can open this and you can read, right? And under the home. So now this. You can open like this. This is endless card, right? Thank you. So we can keep inside. So you can make this as anything like this for your parents or for your sister or brother, for anyone, for your friends. So that's all with this. And in this gift box I didn't keep anything, so I want to think something to keep inside. So I keep inside this paper, you can see, right? To play like this, throw and play, right? So guys, that's all with my craft. So guys, now I will tell you how to close this. If you want to catch just like this and you want to keep like this, that's all. So guys, if you like this video, please like my channel. You want to see more videos in my channel, subscribe my channel and please share to everyone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Bye. So guys, don't miss to see my next video to learn how to make this explosion gift box. So guys, thank you.